Antarctica, a continent of stark beauty shrouded in ice and mystery. This remote and inhospitable land is one of the last true wildernesses on Earth, a place where the natural world remains largely untouched by human hands. It is a place of extremes, where life clings tenaciously to the edges of a frozen desert. Despite the harsh conditions, a surprising array of life forms have adapted to survive here, from hardy mosses and lichens to resilient penguins and seals. But beneath this icy veneer lies a treasure trove of secrets, a glimpse into a time when dinosaurs roamed and lush forests flourished. The ice acts as a protective blanket, preserving these ancient relics in a state of remarkable preservation. Antarctica, you see, is not just a land of ice, it is a frozen time capsule, preserving the remnants of a distant past. The ice sheets, some of which are over a mile thick, have locked away clues to Earth's climatic and biological history. For centuries, this frozen continent remained largely unexplored, its secrets hidden beneath miles of ice and snow. Early explorers braved unimaginable hardships to chart its icy expanses, driven by a thirst for knowledge and discovery. Yet within its icy grip lie the fossilized remains of creatures that once thrived in a warmer, greener Antarctica. These fossils tell a story of a land that was once teeming with life, a stark contrast to the barren ice fields we see today. These ancient relics offer us a unique window into the history of life on Earth, a time before the continents drifted apart and the world as we know it took shape. By studying these fossils, scientists can piece together the puzzle of our planet's past, gaining insights into how life has evolved over millions of years. The very isolation and harsh conditions that make Antarctica so challenging to explore have also served to protect its paleontological treasures. The extreme cold and lack of oxygen slow the process of decay, allowing fossils to remain intact for eons. The relentless cold and lack of oxygen have slowed the process of decay, preserving fossils in remarkable detail. This preservation allows scientists to study these ancient organisms in ways that would be impossible in other parts of the world. From the tiniest plant fragments to the massive bones of dinosaurs, Antarctica holds a wealth of information waiting to be unearthed. Each discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle, helping us to understand the complex history of our planet and the life it supports. Modern technology and scientific methods have revolutionized our ability to study these ancient remains. Advanced imaging techniques, DNA analysis, and other tools allow researchers to extract more information than ever before. As we continue to explore this frozen frontier, we are reminded of the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. The secrets locked within Antarctica's ice are not just relics of the past. They are keys to understanding our present and future. Each new discovery is a testament to human curiosity and the enduring quest for knowledge. In the frozen heart of Antarctica, the past and present converge, offering us a glimpse into the incredible story of life on Earth. The first explorers to set foot on Antarctica were driven by a thirst for adventure and a desire to conquer the unknown. These brave souls embarked on perilous journeys, often with little more than basic equipment and an unyielding spirit. They faced unimaginable challenges, from the biting cold to the relentless winds, and yet they pressed on, determined to chart the uncharted and to bring back stories of their incredible feats. They braved treacherous seas and unforgiving conditions, pushing the limits of human endurance. The journey to Antarctica was fraught with danger, as ships battled towering waves and icebergs that could crush them in an instant. Once on land, the explorers had to navigate through blinding snowstorms and treacherous ice fields. But their expeditions also marked the beginning of scientific exploration in this remote corner of the world. These early adventurers were not just thrill-seekers, they were pioneers of science, laying the groundwork for future research. They set up rudimentary camps and used the limited scientific equipment available at the time to begin studying this frozen continent. Early expeditions, like those led by Robert Falcon Scott and Ernest Shackleton, focused primarily on mapping the continent and understanding its geography. These men became legends, their names forever etched in the annals of exploration. They meticulously charted the coastline, identified mountain ranges, and documented the harsh conditions they encountered. However, even these early explorers brought back tantalizing glimpses of Antarctica's prehistoric past. Fossils of ancient ferns and fossilized wood hinted at a time when Antarctica was a very different place. These discoveries suggested that the continent, now a frozen wasteland, was once teeming with life. As exploration continued, so too did the discoveries. Each new expedition built upon the findings of the last, slowly piecing together the history of this enigmatic land. Scientists began to uncover more and more evidence of a diverse ecosystem that once thrived in Antarctica. As exploration continued, so too did the discoveries. The harsh conditions did not deter these intrepid scientists, rather they fueled their determination. They dug through layers of ice, carefully extracting fossils that had been preserved for millions of years. Scientists began to uncover evidence of a diverse ecosystem that once thrived in Antarctica. Fossils of marine reptiles, giant amphibians, and even dinosaurs began to emerge from the ice, painting a vivid picture of a lost world. These findings were groundbreaking, challenging our understanding of the continent's history and climate. Began to emerge from the ice, painting a vivid picture of a lost world. The discovery of dinosaur fossils in particular was a revelation. It suggested that Antarctica was once a much warmer place, capable of supporting large, complex life forms. Scientists meticulously assembled these fossils, reconstructing the skeletons of creatures that had not walked the Earth for millions of years. These discoveries ignited the imaginations of scientists and the public alike, revealing the true potential of Antarctica as a window into our planet's history. Conferences were held to discuss the implications of these findings, and public exhibits showcased the fossils, drawing crowds eager to learn about this frozen frontier. The quest for knowledge had transformed Antarctica from a desolate wilderness into a treasure trove of scientific discovery.
Among the most remarkable discoveries in Antarctica are the remains of Cryolophosaurus, a large theropod dinosaur that lived during the early Jurassic period. This discovery was groundbreaking as it provided the first evidence of large-bodied theropods in Antarctica, a region once thought to be inhospitable to such massive creatures. The harsh, icy conditions of Antarctica today make it hard to imagine that it was once a lush, green environment where dinosaurs thrived. This formidable predator, with its distinctive crest atop its head, was among the top predators of its time, reaching lengths of over 20 feet. The crest, which is thought to have been used for display or species recognition, makes Cryolophosaurus one of the most unique theropods ever discovered. Its sharp teeth and powerful limbs suggest it was a highly effective hunter, preying on other dinosaurs and possibly even early mammals. Its discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community, providing further evidence that dinosaurs once roamed all corners of the globe, including Antarctica. This find challenged previous assumptions about the distribution of dinosaurs and opened up new avenues of research into how these creatures adapted to different environments. The presence of Cryolophosaurus in Antarctica suggests that the continent was once connected to other land masses, allowing dinosaurs to migrate and diversify. Another significant find was the discovery of Glacialisaurus, a large sauropodomorph dinosaur that lived during the early Jurassic period. This herbivorous dinosaur, with its long neck and tail, was among the largest land animals to have ever lived in Antarctica. The discovery of Glacialisaurus provided crucial evidence about the types of vegetation that once existed in Antarctica, as its diet would have consisted of the lush plant life that thrived in the region's warmer, wetter climate. This massive herbivore, with its long neck and tail, was among the largest land animals to have ever lived in Antarctica. Its size and physical characteristics suggest it was well adapted to a life of foraging for plants, using its long neck to reach vegetation that other herbivores couldn't. The discovery of Glacialisaurus also provided insights into the social behavior of sauropodomorphs. As evidence suggests, they may have lived in herds for protection and social interaction. Its discovery provided valuable insights into the evolution of dinosaurs in this part of the world and their adaptations to a changing environment. The fossils of Glacialisaurus and Cryolophosaurus have helped scientists understand how dinosaurs adapted to different climates and ecosystems, shedding light on their evolutionary success. These discoveries also highlight the importance of Antarctica as a key region for paleontological research, offering a unique window into the past. These are just a few examples of the many remarkable fossil discoveries that have been made in Antarctica. Each new find adds to our understanding of the prehistoric world, revealing the incredible diversity of life that once existed on our planet. The harsh conditions of Antarctica make fossil hunting a challenging endeavor, but the rewards are immense, providing invaluable information about the history of life on Earth. Each find adds a new piece to the puzzle, helping us to better understand the evolution of life on our planet and the dramatic changes that have shaped our world. The fossils discovered in Antarctica are not just remnants of the past, they are keys to unlocking the mysteries of our planet's history. As scientists continue to explore this frozen continent, who knows what other remarkable discoveries await beneath the ice?
Extracting fossils from the icy grip of Antarctica is no easy feat. It is a challenging and often dangerous endeavor, requiring specialized equipment and a skilled team of scientists and technicians. The extreme cold, high winds, and remote locations make fieldwork in Antarctica a logistical nightmare. One of the biggest challenges is simply accessing the fossil sites. Many are located in remote areas, far from any research stations. Scientists often rely on helicopters or snowmobiles to reach these sites, battling unpredictable weather conditions along the way. Once at the site, the real work begins. The first step is to remove the overlying ice and snow, a process that can take weeks or even months. To break through the thick layers of ice, scientists use a variety of tools, including jackhammers, rock saws, and even explosives. Once the fossils are exposed, they must be carefully excavated using hand tools, such as chisels and brushes. The fragile fossils are then encased in plaster jackets to protect them during transport back to the laboratory for further analysis.